I remember like it's yesterday, back when I was Westchester made, back when I was like 5'5", and none of these girls was getting next to me, when my voice was as high as I am now, when my nerves wouldn't let me on stage. I was cool but I never was a standout. Shit, look what I became. Rezz's kick here for old times, like we was way back in '09. Look, right back when we had Danny and the crew, and my mom came through every showtime saying live easy. Look at this crowd, 5 years out you gon' talk about now. Believe me, don't you ever look down. Keep your head up and your feet on the ground, cause you got to be easy. Everything is alright. Got me feeling like nah, 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 nah. Like you got to be easy. Everything is alright. Got me feeling like nah, 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 nah. I remember taking laps through the quad, Natty in the back of the Jeep with the squad. All the girls laying on our lawn while we're playing our song, looking at us like, oh my God.